today we have got something really exciting for all you graphic designers, photographers and creative minds out there. We are diving into the world of Photopea, the ultimate Photoshop alternative that's been creating quite a buzz. If you are looking for a powerful and free online image editing tool, you are in the right place. So what exactly is Photopea? Well, it's a web-based image editing software and mirrors the interface and functionalities of Adobe Photoshop. And the best part is, it is absolutely free and doesn't require any installation. Let's jump right in and explore its features. First thing first, let's talk about the user interface. If you are familiar with Photoshop, you will feel right at home with Photopea. The layout is intuitive, with familiar tools, layers and panels. Whether you are a seasoned designer or a beginner, you can start creating stunning visuals without a steep learning curve. Now let's highlight some key features that make Photopea stand out. From advanced layer management to a vast array of filters, adjustment layers and blending modes, Photopea offers a comprehensive set of tools for your creative project. And yes, it supports a wide range of file formats. Collaboration is key in today's digital age, and Photopea doesn't disappoint. You can easily share your projects with others, making it a fantastic tool for teamwork. Plus, it offers various export options, allowing you to save your work in different file formats seamlessly. Learning a new tool can be a journey, but fear not. Photopea has a plethora of tutorials available, ranging from basic functionalities to advanced techniques. Additionally, there is a vibrant community where users share tips, tricks and showcase their work, a great resource for expanding your skills. One of the biggest advantages of Photopea is its web-based nature. You can access your projects from any device with an internet connection. No need to worry about software updates or compatibility issues. Simply open your browser and you are good to go. Now, let's explore another fantastic feature of Photopea. Whether you are designing social media graphics, business cards, or even YouTube thumbnails, Photopea has a wide range of customizable templates to jumpstart your creative process. These templates are a game changer, saving your time and ensuring your designs are pixel perfect from the start. But wait, there is more to Photopea than just image editing. Ever heard of Pea Games? Yes, you heard it right. Games. Photopea goes beyond the conventional by offering a selection of fun and interactive games. Take a break from your design projects and challenge yourself with Pea Games. It's a unique feature that adds a playful touch to your editing experience. In conclusion, Photopea goes above and beyond your typical image editing software. With an extensive collection of templates to streamline your projects and the added fun of Pea Games, it's more than just a tool. It's a creative playground. So, whether you are a professional designer or just exploring your creative side, Photopea has something for everyone. Give it a go and let us know in the comments which templates or game you enjoyed the most. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, be sure to share it with your fellow creatives. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries. Until next time, bye bye, take care.